Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Suzuki GSX-R600. This bike is still in excellent condition, even with some minor damage on both sides. So it's got just a little less than 8,800 miles on it. So let's take our walk around it, show you the few accessories that are on it, show you a little bit of the light damage that's on it, and then we'll fire it up for you. I mean, even though this bike has been tipped over on both sides, more or less tipped over on the left, dropped on the right. Tires are still in good shape. So on the right hand side here, we've got a little scraping on the edge of the mirror. It's knocked the bar end off. Comes with adjustable levers. You got just a little bit of scraping here on the engine cover. I saw a spot here on the middle fairing, but I lost it. I'm sorry, not on the middle fairing, on the gas tank cover here. Could be from a tank bag, but also a little spot there on the end of the exhaust. So this bike does come with a fender eliminator. And as you can tell by the rear tire, that's still in good shape. That's got good mileage left on it. And on the left side here, we've got a small scratch on the rear tail. Bike also comes with a tank pad. Some damage here to the engine cover. Couple spots here in the middle fairing. Also knocked the bar end off of this side. Adjustable lever and some scraping here on the edge of the mirror. So like I said, pretty minimal, but has touched the ground on both sides. So $87.93 is what's on it. Just the camera down here. Somebody was messing with the adjustable clutch on me. Tapping right in the nuts. I believe the guilty party just walked through the back shop area here. Some people's kids. This 06 GSX-R600 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. And as with all our other motorcycles, will come with a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and your
accessories.
Thank you, Bailey. So, thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.